Hey everyone, today I want to give you a clear review of Adobe Bridge so you can decide whether it's the right tool for organizing your media. Adobe Bridge is a digital asset manager designed to help you browse, preview, tag, and batch manage large collections of images, videos, and design files. If you work with lots of media, Bridge makes it easy to see thumbnails, add ratings and labels, edit metadata, and rename or export many files at once. It plugs nicely into the Adobe ecosystem, so opening a file in Photoshop, Illustrator, or InDesign is seamless and fast. What Bridge does really well is organization. The ability to build smart collections, filter by metadata, and apply batch actions saves a lot of time compared with using a regular file explorer. The preview and workspace panels are useful when you need to quickly check files before editing. And the built-in metadata editor means that you can keep everything searchable and consistent. That said, Bridge isn't perfect. When a folder contains thousands of high-resolution files, performance can slow down. Thumbnails and previews may take time to generate, and scrolling can feel sluggish on older machines. Bridge is also not an editor. It doesn't replace Photoshop or Lightroom or Premiere for editing work. It's purely for managing assets and passing them to your editing tools. Some users find the interface a little clunky or overwhelming at first because there are many panels and options, so there's a small learning curve. Another limitation is that Bridge doesn't offer cloud-based catalog syncing like some DAMs or Lightroom's cloud workflows. Your files remain where they are on disk, and Bridge indexes them locally, so if you work across multiple devices, you won't get the same seamless syncing unless you add an external solution. Who should use Bridge? Photographers, designers, and agencies who handle large batches of files will get the most value. If you already use Adobe Creative Cloud, Bridge becomes especially powerful because it smooths the handoff between organizing and editing. If you only occasionally browse photos or need light editing, Bridge will feel like overkill. In short, Adobe Bridge is an excellent, free for Creative Cloud subscribers tool for managing large media libraries. Expect faster, cleaner workflows when organizing and batching work, but be mindful of performance on very large libraries and the fact that you'll still need separate apps for actual image or video editing. If this helped you make a decision, like the video, subscribe for more honest software reviews, and drop a comment telling me what you want me to compare Bridge to next.